Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a bank statement from ANZ. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get a bank statement from ANZ. The first thing you need to do is to open the ANZ Bank web app. To open your browser and go to ANZ Bank website by typing www.anz.com. Then click Login at the top right corner. Enter your customer ID and password. Then click Login to access your account. Once logged in, you will land on your account's dashboard. In there, locate and click on the Account or Account Overview tab to see a list of your accounts. Choose the account you need a statement for example, checking or savings account. Then click on the account name to access more details. Within the account details, locate the Statements or Documents tab. This option is often found in the navigation menu or under Account Options. Then a list of available statements will appear, often organized by date, monthly or quarterly. Select the period you want by clicking on the corresponding date or download link. Then click Download to save a PDF version of the statement to your device. Alternatively, choose View to open it directly in the web app for viewing. After retrieving your statement, click Log Out at the top right corner to securely end your session. And that's it. That's how you can get a bank statement from the ANZ Bank web app. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.